lemonade, a strawberry starfruit lemonade that I know you guys are going to love, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: pinch of salt, granulated sugar, strawberries, lemons, starfruit, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start first here with my simple syrup: 1 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and let's take it to the stove. Let's start dissolving the sugar. It really doesn't take too long. When the sugar starts dissolving and the water gets a little cloudy, and then the water starts getting nice and clear, we're gonna reserve it. I have here my starfruit and my lemons, and we're gonna rinse them very good through running water. Now we are ready to go ahead to our working table and start preparing this delicious lemonade. Well, here I have my lemons, and I'm gonna go ahead, slice them through the center, and I wanna show you that these are organic lemons and they have no seeds. Look at this. Well, now I'm ready to get all the delicious lemon juice out of my lemons, and I'm taking my time because I don't wanna leave anything behind. Look at this. They're small, but they have a lot of juice. Okay, I'm gonna continue getting the juice out of my lemons. I am completely done, and look at this. I have all the juice in here. I have about a cup of juice with the pulp, and I'm going to go ahead and start adding the frozen strawberries to my blender cup and the water. We're gonna blend it away. And it really doesn't take too long. Once this is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put it through a sifter. I wanna make sure that I don't have any strawberry seeds in the lemonade. So I have my glass bowl here and my sifter, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the lemonade in here, the mixture. We want to make sure that we leave all the seeds behind. So that's why I'm putting it through a sifter. This is exactly what we don't want in our lemonade. And here, look at this. Look at the color. I'm going to add the lemon juice. I'm going to add the pinch of salt. I'm going to add the simple syrup, and let's taste it. This is delicious. Now, I want to show you the texture and the color. Look at this. This looks delicious and refreshing. Okay, now I'm ready to start with my starfruit. I want to go ahead and show you that these little edges we're going to remove, and the sides. The reason that we remove the edges, because the edges are kind of tart, and we want the sweetness of this delicious starfruit. So that's why I'm removing just the edges of the starfruit. Take your time, be careful, because you don't want to remove none of the pulp, just the little edges. Once you are completely done removing the little edges, well then you are ready to start slicing it. Look at this. I removed all the edges, and now I am ready to start slicing away nice and thinly. The reason that you want it nice and thin, so that the starfruits infuse the lemonade. Make sure that you remove the seeds from every star, or else your lemonade is gonna get bitter. Look at this. Every single one. How beautiful and delicious this starfruit is. Look at this. Every single one has a kind of a different color.
Some of them are more yellow, a little bit green. They're just amazing. I have my pitcher here and I'm ready to add a lot of ice and of course add the stars. One by one, I'm decorating my pitcher, and remember that you slice them so thinly that once you add the lemonade in there, they start infusing the strawberry lemonade. Well, I'm going to continue adding the ice, adding the little stars, and look at this. I am completely done. Now I am ready to add the mixture. Look at this. This looks so refreshing. To tell you the truth, I can't wait to enjoy it. Give it a try, my friend. Make it at home. And now I am ready for the presentation. So I'll see you in a little bit.
With this delicious and refreshing strawberry starfruit lemonade. This is the part I really love and enjoy. When you slice the starfruit very thinly, it really releases all those delicious flavors. Well, let me stop talking and let me enjoy this delicious and refreshing lemonade. And I wish you were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. You know something? It's so refreshing. The flavors are so intense. It's just amazing, and it's perfect for this hot weather. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious and amazing strawberry starfruit lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.